Hi friends, so one more question from IP validations. The interviewer asked to write a logic for the IP validations. Logic means they don't want to use the regex, okay, and they or we have to check the IP is valid or not. Okay, so I have make one example. I will debug and I will show you how it is working. Okay, so I have taken one IP. That IP is 192.168.5.5 and so okay, it is calling to the IP validation. Once it's come IP validation, what will do, they will do a split. What split? The IP will split, so we'll get 192.168.5.5 here using a split function. We have used a split function here. Okay, next. So once it will split, it will complete, then it will come to like this in a list 192.68.5.5. okay, next. So then it will come to check the length of the parts. So here parts is that list, okay, that list 4 not equal to 4, okay, so it's written false. Then it come next step in checking the parts. What is the parts? And that past not a digit like that you checked, and now it come to the num, and the part is 192, checking first part, and then come to the num is greater less than 192 and 192 is greater than 255. Both are condition false. Then again came to the next step and checking num not equal to num, okay, and again repeating for the second iterations. Okay, so similarly it will repeat till fourth time. So it will check the is it digit or not, or it is greater than 0 or greater than less than 255, and the logic will complete and it will print the validation as IP. So sometime interviewer will ask you write through logic. Okay, so for first one it is completed, so result is true. True means it is valid IP. Now it come for the second. Okay, so we'll continue with the second, and it's repeated similar kind of the process. It will first it will split uh, all the IP and make one list. In that list it is taking one by one each value. First value take first, then second value, then third value, then fourth value. Okay, so it has completed like that for all, and it will print if it is valid or not. Okay, so now second is completed. Second is false. Second is false. Why it is false? We'll show you. Okay, we came already into third one. So now we'll check with third one. So third one is running and validating it is the correct IP or not. So here third one is true. Okay, so third one is true. Okay, so like that we can see 5.5.5. Oh, don't go to the this one. Don't go to the this one. This one is I have put it like that simply. Okay, so okay, so you'll get the answer. Okay, thank you for watching.